So we're still vlogging. The lady I met. So I'm walking with my hope you're enjoying the vlog. I'm taking you to a place where you will see a very beautiful view. So because of that particular view, I have to park my car very far away and keep walking in order to get you that beautiful view. You see? Today I've created a lot of content. I have worked hard. I really worked hard. Check my back. We drove actually past this building today. It's a very beautiful building. But the sun was not allowing you to see it properly. Can you see? Can you see here? You know what? Let me take you to where I'm taking you. If you're tired, you can just sit down. If you're tired, you can just sit down. So hey, today is a vlogging day and we are on it. We are on it. I was coming from that side, that far end. I walked from that far end to this side. So, come on, let's do this. I've climbed like a mountain. Whoa. I'm keeping the best for last. We are almost there. If I didn't come here today, I would still have been dreaming about coming here. It's good I did. So you see how this is, my head is even paining me, Lord. This is how beautiful this place is like. And I'm literally approaching where I want to take you. Watch the back view. Whoa, my hand. see? For your sake, I'm doing everything. YouTube. Okay. So you see, showing you around the most beautiful places in Milton Keynes. Okay. I came with my ring light to literally hold my stuff for me because I'm alone here. So I came with my ring light. You can see it, right? Okay. I'm gonna stand where I need to stand. So we will do this shoot. The very beautiful shoot I want. The very reason why I'm here. Let's do it.